Welcome to Chicago's Entertainment, DJ Freddie B, the real DJ Freddie B. Let's take a journey real quick. So how you do it is that you scroll down to the part where it says contracts. Right in there where it says contracts. And then you tap the contract part. You can download it from the website. And then you can, pretty much fill it out. Write down the venue, the time, location, date, and your situations of the type of music that you love to hear at your event from, my DJ services. Also, with your actual payment situation here, you can put down how you want to pay and everything through Zelle, Cash App, or whatever you wish to pay through, from bank to bank, Zelle. But anyway, you sign your name, a dotted line, date, month, year. So you really don't have to sign the very last, contract, unless I'm giving you a different DJ to come in to fill in for my actual DJ services. That would be the last very page. Now let's take a look at the actual proposal side of things and how you can upload the contract. Well, you can go to upload. It's right there. And then once you fill it out, you sign it, you look for it in your actual computer or on your phone, the actual PDF. It only takes PDFs, people, not screenshots. And strictly PDF. You have to go into your actual finder within your phone or either go on your computer, type in the name of the actual invoice contract that you downloaded, then you upload it, and it's just very easy. You hit that, submit it, and then, you tap it for upload, and then it goes out, and it will hit me, and that green little part will say, contract has been sent. Let's take a look at the actual proposal. Let's go over to the proposal real quick. Proposal will give you an actual breakdown on my actual DJ services. What I charge $150 an hour and minus up. Okay, what I mean by that, depending on the size of the crowd, how much stuff I have to give you guys, what you see right here. You guys can actually download these actual PDFs. You can keep them, print them out, whatever, however the case is, or you can save it to your phone, the archives. Basically, with this saying, if it's outdoor event or indoor event, you need a generator, whatever, how much it costs for lighting, uplighting, microphones, lapels, etc. More speakers, microphones, and all that and much more. Listen, I'm glad that you took the time out to check out my actual website. This is just a tutorial, then you know how it works. Keep up with my events here on my website. Make sure you subscribe as well to my website, and then you can become one of those lucky ones. And you can rate my services here on my website, and I will put you up there, just to let you know how I did with other customers. So you can book through my business card to get to my website as well from the website, or you can, save some information to your contacts. With that being said, it's very easy to do. And right at the bottom is my actual business card right there. My phone number, office number, all that, the Zelle information. You get right in through calendar, boom, you can book your appointment with me on Zoom. When you become that client. If you got Zoom, you'll see me, I see you. You get to pick the time here. And simply when you pick the time, you hit next. And then after the next part, you definitely just hit the book appointment. And then you go from there. And that's how you work my website. You can scan with your iPhone here for Zelle. You can book an appointment like I stated. You have my email there. All sorts of things. When you go into my website, you can put on there how many people is attending to your party, etc. Looking forward to seeing you at your next event. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.